The PNP's work to protect and serve the public never takes a rest or breather. To the contrary, the police has gone on heightened alert in view of the looming threat by the CPP-NPA, which celebrates its founding anniversary the day after Christmas. Our Ryan Lasigas on the PNP reinforcing its peace and order force with a 12.8% increase in deployment at this time of the year.
The Philippine National Police or PNP has no plans to implement a suspension of police operations or SOPO this holiday season to prevent rebels from taking advantage of the situation. According to PNP spokesperson, Police Brigadier General Jean Fajardo, the PNP is prepared for possible attacks by the Communist Party of the Philippines or CPP on the group's anniversary on December 26.
History will tell us na kapag nag-declare po ng SOPO and SOPO po ang security forces, ay yun din po yung ginagamit na opportunity ng mga communist terrorist groups and even yung mga local terrorist groups para mag-initiate ng kanilang mga ambuscades, harassments, and retaliatory attacks.
Meanwhile, as of December 15, the National Police Force has been on heightened alert status. The PNP has also increased the number of deployed officers across the country for holiday season security, from 41,000 police officers to 47,000 as of this morning. According to General Fajardo, there have been no serious security threats monitored thus far this holiday season. However, sufficient forces must be deployed in crowded areas to ensure security.
Minimaintain pa rin po natin yung ating aggressive security measures to make sure na hindi po tayo malulusutan. At syempre, we are continuously coordinating with other law enforcement agencies to make sure kung may mga namomonitor po sila. At on the part of the PNP ay sama-sama po nating i-validate to at mag-initiate po ng appropriate security measures and sisiguraduhin natin na magiging ligtas at payapa po itong mahaba nating holiday season.
The first day of Simbang Gabi was generally peaceful nationwide. According to the Philippine National Police, the PNP reported no incidents of disorder were recorded during the launch of the Misa de Gallo. Fajardo also mentioned nearly 11,000 police officers nationwide are on field assignment to ensure the safety of the Simbang Gabi faithful. In addition to police assistance desk near churches, the PNP also deployed mobile and foot patrols. The PNP acknowledged heavy traffic remains a huge challenge in Metro Manila during the holiday season. Thus, the MMDA, PNP, and LGUs are working closer and longer to manage traffic flow on Metro Manila's roads. Ryan Lasigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.